What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and today in this video we will be unboxing the iPhone 12 in green color. So we ordered this from the official online Apple store. If you want to buy this, the link is in the description below, and also the link for this original video is in the description below. So let's quickly go ahead and do the unboxing of the iPhone 12 in green color. So this is how the box packaging looks like, and this is the box of the iPhone 11 in black. When we compare both of them, you can see how big and thick the box of the iPhone 11 is when compared to the box of the iPhone 11, which is very slim and thin. So let's quickly remove the plastic cellophane and see what all contents we have inside. Of course, when we remove the top box, we have the iPhone 11 in green color, which looks really beautiful. Let me remove the iPhone and see what all other contents we have inside. You can see the flat edges. It makes me it reminds me of the iPhone 5 and the iPhone 5s, starting all the way from the iPhone 4 and the iPhone 4s. We will quickly compare this with the iPhone 11 in black color. You can see that the curved sides of the iPhone 11 makes it look a lot thicker and bigger when compared to the iPhone 12. Nonetheless, iPhone 12 is really good to hold in hand because of the flat edges. So let me remove the plastic from the top of the screen, and we will see what are other contents we have inside. So we have the USB type C to lightning cable and no adapter in the box. You have to purchase the adapter separately. And also we have the designed by Apple in California pamphlet and some Apple stickers. So this is how the iPhone 11 in green looks like. So that was a quick short unboxing. If you like the video, please do rate this video up, comment down in the comment section, do subscribe, and I'm really sorry for the background noise. Thank you for watching.